You may not recognise it, but this is our planet in its very earliest days. Little more than a few pieces of rock colliding as they circle the sun. These impacts were so violent they generated immense amounts of heat. And they also delivered vast quantities of radioactive material to the Earth. Eventually, when the outer layers of the planet cooled, these two powerful sources of heat were trapped in a huge hot core. The centre of our planet is as hot as the surface of the sun. This is the source of Earth's vast heat energy. And it's what fuels volcanoes to this day. Trapped within our planet, Earth's hot core has been continuously releasing unimaginable amounts of heat. It gives you some idea how much when you realise that even after 4.5 billion years, there's still plenty left. Earth's inner heat makes a planet's surface incredibly dynamic. It has created a restless, continually changing landscape, unlike any other in the solar system. It's a world of destruction and renewal.